Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. Today we're gonna show you how to create a test sequence in the B2 Suite version 2. We open the measurement settings. At first we add a new test sequence in the test sequence menu. We can then give the test sequence and corresponding name. We can then add the purposes maintenance, acceptance or installation to the test sequence. After that, we select our measurement types. The following measurement types are available: a combined measurement, an installation, a DC, a VLF, a TD or a PD measurement. You can then add a test standard or a guide to your different measurement types, or you can have the measurement types without any limits. If you create a test sequence without any test standard or guide, you can add test steps and test methods as you wish. In case you decide to use a test sequence based on a test standard, after running the sequence you get the test results according to the chosen test standard or guide. The evaluation criteria define which limits, for example limits of the cable type, limits of the installation type, will be considered for the assessment of the measurement. You have following limits that are available: the test standard, copy, mixed and specific, or the grid settings, mixed or specific. On the left side you can activate the inception and extinction steps, and on the right side you can optionally show the single steps. The test sequence will be automatically saved and you're now able to use them for your cable measurements.
Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.